Sweet. So, update. Where is it? Here you are. One trade was taken this week. USD JPY sell position. Crazy trade. But as you can see, 100k brought the account back out of drawdown from 1.7% in drawdown to now up 3% with this one trade. So we made 4.7% overall. Then on our 25k, you can see evaluation, successful, verification, also successful. Success. But they went and stuck a pole at my ass for this one because I went from risking 1.5% to 2%. They came with some bullshit excuse about, oh, you're a high risk, you're a gambling trader. It is what it is. They want to make money, and in order to do that, they have to keep money from people. But it's just the game of prop firms, so I ain't mad about it. It's just business. But we have, the 100k in progress. I should get that 25k. Not a fucking clue, to be honest with you. Alpha Capital have been absolute bollocks with their fucking customer service recently. But I know how to trade, and that's all that matters. This bullshit, yeah, it'll give me access to make more money than I do with my personal capital. But at the end of the day, my skill is worth more than any funded account because I can take my skill and apply it. And if I have to, I will flip accounts and then scale, or I'll just go to another prop firm. It's as simple as that. If you don't like the girl you fucking, just go get a new girl. Ain't no point stressing about it. Onto the markets. Just get this shit over and done with. That's not what my markets are. Right, can you see my screen? Right, here we go, baby. So, spot the trend, mate. Spot the trend. JPY. So, a GDP CAD. Previous week was a bullish engulfing. Yes, we're moving in this correction, but we're overall bullish on the weekly. The daily time frame has just broken out of this major resistance with the potential to come back and retest. If the EMA is to come up, we have psychological level, EMA, previous structure, breaking and retesting a very strong resistance for a potential push to the upside to about 19,000. As you can see, the 4 hour is still beautifully bullish. This is not a structure point. So whatever happens in here, we'll be waiting for a lower time frame shift of structure, which will be on the 2 hour, 1 hour, where we'll look for the EMA rejection, psychological level, clear rejection, reversal pattern, and then shift of structure to confirm the continuation of the 4 hour trend. NZD-USD last week we had a very strong bearish candle straight to a doji, indicating loss of bearish momentum and indecision for a potential reversal. Paired that with price at a lower low on the daily after creating 1, 2, 3, 4, a whole week of straight doji candles, not even a strong push down, strong push up, a whole week of indecision. So if the market is to push to the upside, we can have clear indication on the 4-hour that this is a strong level of support and resistance with a left head, right shoulder, break, retest the EMA, psychological level, push to the upside, create that daily lower high. Bosh. USD CHF. USD CHF, we have this clear level of support and resistance all throughout here. The market has just shifted bearish with the doji indicating a potential reversal. To back that daily lower high, we have that weekly engulfing to the downside. It's scummy price action on the weekly, but the daily slightly clears it up a little bit where we could take a position from the retest of this respected level back down to these lows, as you can see. But we'd need to see a 4-hour shift bullish to see a 4-hour shift bearish. This is not a super probabilistic market, but it's a probabilistic market where we might see a potential. But the odds of us seeing a potential trade on this are very fucking low. USD JPY, we came off this big engulfing candle, very small doji candle. Potential for a continuation to the upside to continue that week prior is momentum. We see a break, higher low, beautiful pullback, and we're anticipating for the market to reject previous structure, EMA, psychological level, push to the upside. And the trade we caught was the push back. And as you can see, I caught a tiny little piece of this move. I understood where price was coming, but there was some psychological issues that I needed to understand about myself in order to prepare me better for these types of scenarios, which is every trade is just teaching, every week is just teaching me. And as you can see, 2.8 risk to reward. This trade went down to a fucking 1 to 10 on a counter trend trade, a 1 to 10. Like, fucking hell. The precision, right? The accuracy. Look at this shit. Look at this motherfucking shit. All backed by technical reasoning. This is not just luck. This is all backed by technical reasoning. I'm not going to go into the technical reasoning right now because I just don't want to. CAD JPY. Across all the JPY pairs, we're looking for pretty much the same shit. Last week, we had a doji. The week prior, we had the engulfing. Now, on the daily time frame and all these fucking cunts, we can just see previous strong resistance and support. Price is currently below. Now, if we break above, giving us that indication, we will also shift bullish, creating a left head and a right shoulder for us to retest the EMA, retest the psychological level, push to the upside. AUD JPY, exact same shit. Push above the area of interest, create the left head, right shoulder, EMA, psychological level, push to the upside. Let me just go back so you can see the weekly. This weekly is a little more fucking weird. As you can see, crazy push, massive doji under this prior weekly resistance. So just never know what is going to happen with these markets. Euro JPY, same shit, engulfing, doji, beautiful structure for a pullback, beautiful lower high structure. Only trade we'd take is a break above this 4-hour resistance. There's that shift in structure, left head, right shoulder, break, retest above this strong support. And with these trades, I'm not looking to trade into new highs. I'm looking to trade within the higher high because there's a higher probability of these markets not creating new highs or creating new highs, but only creating new highs to eventually shift structure bearish. And we see a reversal from this area. Seeing how we had weekly rejection, all we need to see now is the daily higher time frame rejection candlestick, lower time frame reversal pattern. So there's a potential of that. NZD-JPY, weekly time frame, engulfing, big wicker. Next week was a big wicker, both sides. Small little body though. We see break, retest at this previous support in this range where price just rejects it, pushes to the upside, rejects it, pushes to the upside, rejects it, pushes to the upside, you know, rejects it, pushes to the upside, rejects it, upside, rejects it, failed to go. But majority of the times we see price push to the upside, paired with a super strong bullish price action. Left head, right shoulder, EMA, psychological level, take the trade to the upside. Simple. And that is it. That is fucking it. Rinse and repeat on every single fucking time frame. Rinse and repeat on every single fucking pair. Is it the best looking week? No, it's really not. But I understand the markets enough to understand that this is not the best looking week. But there's still potential no matter how shit it looks. So that is it. I see that was efficient. 10 minutes. 10 minutes in, out. Bish bash bosh, nigga. Bish bash bosh. And that is it.